Welcome to you all. Here the question is resolve into two factors of the expression a square minus ab plus b square. So first write the expression plus b square. First try if it is possible to factorize into middle term factorization method. To do so, coefficient of a square is 1 and coefficient of b square is 1. Product is 1. As per rule, we have to write this 1, that means product, such that their sum is minus 1. Is it possible to do so? Practically, 1 is not the product of any two numbers such that their sum is minus 1. So it is not possible in real field, but it may be possible in complex field. Involving 1 in complex field, there are two formulas. Two formula is what is 1 plus omega square, that is equal to 0, and another formula omega cube is equal to 1. But here what is omega? Omega actually cubic root of unity, that means omega is the solution of omega is the solution of the equation of x cube is equal to 1. See, here is in two formulas there are two ones, 1 1. That means 1 is equal to omega cube, and we may write omega into omega square is equal to 1. From the law of indices, omega into omega square to omega cube, that is equal to formula 1. That means omega cube or 1 is decomposed into two numbers in complex field, omega into omega square. If we are able to sum of omega plus omega square is equal to minus 1, then factorizable. So here is another formula, omega plus omega square. This formula, from this formula, is equal to transpose 1 to the right minus 1. See, there are two numbers in complex field, omega and omega square. Omega plus omega square is equal to minus 1, and product of omega into omega square is equal to 1. So, method of factorization fulfilled. So, factorize this, write this a square minus in place of minus 1, coefficient is 1. We are writing omega plus omega square into AB plus another thing should be fulfilled, product of coefficients, that means a square coefficient, b square coefficient. Now it is 1 in both cases. But if we write omega cube b square, product of coefficient a square is 1 and b square is omega cube, 1 into omega cube is equal to omega cube equal to 1, and nothing is written extra, omega cube is equal to 1. In place of 1, the coefficient b square, we may write omega cube. Write here a line for better understanding. Now expand these terms, a square plus omega into AB plus omega square into AB plus omega cube is equal to into b square. Now we follow the method of factorization, middle term factorization. Now obviously we take out commonable values first term from first two terms. What is to be taken out common? A, because here is a square, here is a plus b omega. What can be taken out from the second two terms, third terms and fourth terms? Omega square, omega cube, we may taken out common. Omega square ab into b square, we may take out b. What will be remaining? Here is a and here is omega cube b square. So we will write plus omega b. A plus b omega, same thing, a plus omega b. Now take out the common. A plus b omega into a plus, writing b omega square. Answer is a square minus ab plus b square, that is equal to a plus b omega into a plus b square. If you have not subscribed this channel till now, you must subscribe for getting the notification of uploaded videos. Thank you.